Okay, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you expand your English, increase your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's get started looking at the future perfect. Now. What is it? Events that overlap, start or finish before others. Events that overlap or start before others. There's always something happening, constantly. Starting here, finishing there, there's always something happening. There's always something happening or something overlapping in the middle. So it describes an action that will be completed by a certain time. Like using before. I'll finish these videos, recording them, before the end of the day. Before end of the day. So how do we go about making a sentence with the future perfect? Subject, as always, more often than not, subject. They will have. They will have. Past participle, in this case built. Basic form of a verb, built. They will have built the bridge. This bridge over the water, or a river, or railway, or a canyon, a bridge, by a time frame, by August. They will have finished the exam by 3 o'clock. They will have learnt their lesson by the end of the year. Yes. I will have finished recording this video by, by 7:20, I'm guessing, at the latest. She will have done it. She will have been in England for April, May, June, July, 5 months by end of August. Yeah, about 5 months. Jessica will have learned how to ski by the time she finishes in Andorra, between Spain and France. Andorra, nice ski resort, I've heard. I will have uploaded 100 videos by mid-September 2019. Ooh, that's pretty cool. She will have, she would do anything. She will have learned to dance by the end of the year. Jessica will have sung the song by the end of the show, by the end of the performance. Yeah, cool. Let's keep going. But let's look at the future perfect continuous and how that plays a role in all this. So it can be used to predict how long something will last, looking back from it into the present. So for example, by October I will have been teaching for 2 years. By October 2019, I'll have been teaching English for two Chinese children for 2 years. So look, time phrase, subject, will have been, past participle, sentence. Time phrase, by October, subject, I, will have been, no change there. Present participle, something happening and ongoing, teaching, milking, jumping, crying, walking, talking, squawking, teaching, milking had it twice. Cooking, a few other things. Okay, cooking and beyond. The rest of the sentence, for 2 years. So, by October, I will have been teaching for 2 years. It is that present participle that makes it the continuous, indicating that it's something ongoing, something still happening, or something still working towards, or still working on. So, for example, you could say, by September, I will have been teaching for just under 2 years. By September, I would have been travelling a lot to Spain. Yeah. She will have been learning English for, well, she'll have been learning English for 2 years by January? By January 2020? By September. Okay, here's one. By January 2020, it will have been 20 years since the new millennium. Yeah. Time would have been moving for 20 years since the new millennium. Interesting. 20 years. Whoa. Y2K, year 2000. Whoa. Interesting. But something ongoing. Let's think. By this time next year, I would have been recording videos for an entire year. 1 video a day. That's pretty cool, I think. 365 videos. That's really cool. She will have she will have been singing by the time I got home, for example. Yeah, it's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So the future perfect tense, future perfect continuous, something happening, future perfect, overlapping actions. How cool is that? But if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speaking like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. How cool is that? See you soon.